Okay, well, here are 20 tips for a fast way to build a modern tiny home on wheels for better future living. It has several aspects and several points of every single aspect. The first aspect is about the plan ahead. We can make the detailed design. We can create a detailed design and floor plan. Then for the second point is about the budgeting. We can set a realistic budget and stick to it. Then for the second aspect, it's about the use pre-designed plans. We can use a pre-designed tiny home plans to save time. We can customize the plans to fit your needs and preference. Then for the third aspect is about the choose the right materials. We can select lightweight materials to reduce construction time and cost. Then we can consider sustainable materials for eco-friendliness. Then for the fourth aspect is about the simplify the design. We can opt for a minimalist design to reduce construction time and complexity. Then we can consider an open floor plan to maximize the space. Then we can make the DIY when it's possible. We can take on tasks that you are comfortable to save time and money. Then we can involve family members in the construction process. Okay, well, now for the sixth aspect is about the use prefabricated components. We can use prefabricated wall and roof panels for quick assembly. Then we can use pre-made cabinets and furniture. Then for the second aspect is about the streamline the building process. We can use project management tools to stay organized. Then we can create a detailed schedule to ensure time completion. Okay, well, for the eighth aspect it's about the consideration kit home. We can look into home kits that come with pre-cut materials and instruction. And kit homes can save time and reduce construction costs. Okay, because the kits home has several benefits. Okay, so for the ninth aspect is about the focus on essential features. We can focus on essential features to delay non-essentials one. We can consider phase construction to add features later. Then for the 10th aspect is about utilize online resources. We can use online tutorials and guide for construction tips. Then we can join online forums or communities for the support. Then we can plan for sustainability. It's for the 11 aspect. And we can incorporate solar panels for renewable energy. And then we can consider a rainwater harvesting system. So, and then for the 12th aspect is about optimize the space. We can select the multifunctional furniture. We can use multifunctional furniture to maximize the space, and then we can incorporate built-in storage solution. So in this position we can have the incorporate storage solution. Okay, so for the 13th aspect is about the use modern construction technique. We can consider modular construction for faster build times, and then we can use panelized construction for walls and roofs. Then for the 14th aspect is about the consider off-grid capabilities. In field of off-grid system, we can incorporate off-grid system for energy, water, and waste management. And then for the battery storage, we can consider battery storage for solar power. Then for 15th aspect is about ensure proper insulation. We can use high quality insulation to regulate the temperature. And then we can see all gaps. We can ensure there are no gaps or cracks where heat or cold air can escape. Then we can design for the safety. It's for the 16th aspect. We can install smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and then we can keep a fire extinguisher in an easily accessible location. Okay, well, for the 17th aspect is about the use energy efficient appliance. We can choose energy efficient appliance with Energy Star ratings. Then we can use LED lighting to reduce energy consumption. Then for the 18th aspect is about the plan for resale value. I mean, it was important because it affected for the future financial plan in our family anyway. Then it's about the quality construction. We can build with high quality materials and craftsmanship. Then about the flexibility, we can design with flexibility in mind to appeal the future buyers. Then for the 19th aspect is about the stay organized. So we can keep tools organized and easily accessible, and then we can store materials in a dry, secure location. Then for the 20th aspect is about enjoy the process. We can view the project as a learning experience. And then for the second aspect is about the family bonding. We can enjoy the opportunity to work together as a family. Okay, then by following these tips, you can build a modern tiny home on wheels quickly and efficiently, and setting yourself up for better future living.